Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're talking about the Genabio COVID-19 Rapid Self-Test Kit. This at-home test kit is a game changer for anyone who wants the convenience and peace of mind of testing for COVID-19 from the comfort of their own home. With this 2-pack of tests, you can easily and quickly check for COVID-19 in just 15 minutes. The best part? It uses a non-invasive short nasal swab, so there's no discomfort involved. This makes it easy and comfortable for anyone to administer at home. Not only that, but this test is eligible for HSA/FSA reimbursement, making it more affordable for many people. It's also been authorized by the FDA for emergency use and is trusted by healthcare professionals across the US. So you can have peace of mind knowing you're using a test that's reliable and effective. Forget about scheduling an appointment and waiting in line at a testing center. With the Genabio COVID-19 Rapid Self-Test Kit, you can have the convenience of testing from home. And with the quick attached buffer cap, it's quicker and easier to use compared to other brands. So, if you're looking for an easy, non-invasive, and reliable at-home COVID-19 test, look no further. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on the Genabio COVID-19 Rapid Self-Test Kit and give yourself the peace of mind you deserve. Don't wait, take control of your health today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.